Hello children, how are you? I hope all are doing healthy stays and I hope you all saw my first video of chapter knowing our numbers and I know you all understood it very well, Hana? So students, did you complete your exercise portion of the first chapter knowing our numbers which was uploaded on the school website? Okay, so this is our second video of chapter second whole numbers. So let's go through the video. In this chapter we have discussed about natural numbers, whole numbers, predecessor and successor, number line, and addition, subtraction and multiplication on number line. So first of all, let's talk about natural numbers. What is natural numbers? Let's see. Natural numbers are what you use when you are counting one to one objects. You may be counting pencils, buttons or cookies. When you start using 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, you are using the counting number, or to give them a proper title, you are using natural numbers. Hai. So, these are the numbers that we all know, like 1, 2 and 3 etc. They are represented by symbols like 1, 2, 3 etc. But more importantly, they can be ordered. As we know, we use 1, 2, 3, 4 when we begin to count. They come naturally when we start counting, है. Hence, mathematics call the counting numbers as natural numbers. Okay, students. Now, next topic is whole numbers. What is whole number? The whole numbers are the number without fractions and it is a collection of positive integers and zero. It is represented by the symbol W. It is represented by the symbol W and the set of numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 or whatever. Hai. Examples are like 2, 56, 768, 5980, 35,678. है. The whole numbers are the part of the number system in which it includes all the positive integers from 0 to infinity. These numbers exist in the number line. Hence, they are all real numbers. We can say all the whole numbers are real numbers. But not all the real numbers are whole numbers. है. The complete set of natural numbers along with 0 are called whole number. Okay, it is clear now. Then next is predecessor and successor. So students, tell me what the next number to 5 is. Yes, it will 6. Yes children. Okay, so next to 6 is, it will 7. Correct. Okay, now let's understand this on number line. Now if we take any natural number, the number obtained by adding 1 to it is called successor. है ना? तो given any natural number, you can add 1 to that number and get the next number, that is you get its successor. Means after 1 is 2, means successor of 1 is 2, and after 2 3, means successor of 2 is 3. है ना? Then the successor of 16 is like 16 plus 1 is equals to 17. That of 19 is 19 plus 1 is equals to 20 and so on. Now predecessor, है ना? तो like the number 16 comes before 17. We say that the predecessor of 17 is 16. है ना? 17 minus 1, 16. The predecessor of 20 is 20 minus 1 is equals to 19 and so on. अच्छा, predecessor of 15 is, yes, 14, है ना? And predecessor of 10 is 9 and predecessor of 50 is 49, like that. You know this, है ना? So now this this one, predecessor and successor in a number line. Acha students, here you can see successor. If we take any natural number, the number obtained by adding 1 to it, it is called successor. Then 5 is the successor of 4, that is 4 plus 1 5, and that of 11 is 12. 11 plus 1 is equals to 12. You can see this in a number line. Hana? After 4 is 5, means the successor of 4 is 5. This is named as taking one step to the right of the number on a number line. Hana? Successor means right hand side, means we are taking one step to the right side. And in predecessor, if we take any natural number, the number obtained by subtracting 1 from it is called its predecessor. For example, 3 is the predecessor of 4 because 4 minus 1 is equals to 3. Then it is same as taking one step to the left on the number line, means in a predecessor we have to take one step to the left, and in successor we have to take one step to the right side. It is clear now? And students, there is a fun fact. Anna, what is a fun fact? Do you want to know what is it? Every whole number has a successor. Every whole number except 0 has a predecessor. Okay. Now, here we can count the numbers. We can count the numbers of children in our school. We can also count the number of people in a city. We can count the number of people in India. The number of people in the whole world can also be counted. We may not be able to count the number of stars in the sky or the number of hair on our heads, but if we are able, there would be a number for them also. We can then add one more to such a number and get a larger number. But what about 0? Yes, what is it? Which type of numbers contain it? The set of natural numbers along with 0 forms the collection of whole numbers. Hai. So, whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3. Hai. And 1 does not have a predecessor within natural numbers. As 0 is not there in natural numbers, 1 minus 1 is equals to 0. But 1 has a predecessor within whole numbers. We have seen that the number 1 has a no predecessor in natural numbers. To the collection of natural numbers, we add 0 as the predecessor for 1. Hai. Then, now next is number line. What is a number line? You can see this. Number line is nothing but the collection of positive and negative numbers arranged serially according to their sizes with 0 as center. Acha, you can see this. 0 means it is the origin, है ना? Means right hand side means successor, means plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, or positive 1, positive 2, positive 3. है ना? We can say that positive 1, positive 2, positive 3, and so on. And on the left side, negative numbers are just like negative 1, negative 2. है ना? Okay. Now here you can see how to draw a number line. Okay. Now, अच्छा, how to draw a number line, है ना? तो we move back. Here, how to draw a number line? Draw a number line, mark a point on it. You can see, है ना? Label it 0. You can see this on the center, है ना? Means on the left first side is 0. Mark a second point to the right of 0. Label it 1. Okay. You can see this. After 0 on the right side, the number is 1. The distance between these points labeled as 0 and one is called unit distance. One is called unit distance, है ना? So on this line mark a point to the right of 1 and at unit distance from 1 and label it 2, है ना? Means this is a unit distance from 0 to 1, 1 to 2, है ना? Then after this, in this way go on labeling points as at unit distances as 3, 4, 5. You can see this on the number line. You can go to any whole numbers on the right in this manner. So this is a number line for the whole numbers. Okay, now what is the distance between the points 2 and 4? Anna, certainly it is 2 units. Can you tell the distance between the points 2 and 6, between 2 and 7? Yes, on the number line you will see that the number 7 is on the right of 4. This number 7 is greater than 4. That is 7 is greater than 4, na? So the number 8 lies on the right of 6 and 8 is greater than 6. These observations help us to say that out of any two whole numbers, the number on the right of the other number is the greater number. Now you can also say that the whole number on left is the smaller number. Like for example, 4 is smaller than 9. So 4 is on the left of 9. Similarly, 12 is greater than 5. So 12 is to the right of 5. What can you say about 10 and 20? Mark 30, 12, 18 on the number line. Which number is at the farthest left? Can you say from 1005 and 9756? Which would be on the right relative to the other number? Place the success of 12 and the predecessor of 7 on the number line. Okay. Now after this, next is addition on the number line. Addition on the number line, है ना? Take example 3 plus 4. Addition of whole numbers can be shown on the number line. Let us see the addition of 3 and 4. Start from 3, है ना? Start from 3 because we have to add 3 plus 4. So we have to start from 3 only, है ना? So start from 3 since we add 4 to this number. So we make 4 jumps to the right. From 3 to 4, है ना? We have to take 4 jumps. You can see this 4 jumps. 3 to 4 1 jump, 4 to 5 second, 5 to 6 third and 6 to 7 is fourth jump, है ना? So the tip of the last arrow in the fourth jump is at 7. The number is 7. So the sum of 3 and 4 is 7. Yes, 3 plus 4 is 7. Okay, now next you can practice it. Okay, subtraction on number line. Now we have to take 7 minus 5. So we have subtracted 7 minus 5. Same, make a number line. Now the subtraction of two whole numbers can also be shown on the number line. Let us find 7 minus 5. Start from 7. Since 5 is being subtracted, है ना? 5 is being subtracted from 7. So move towards left with one jump of 1 unit, है ना? So starts from 7 because here it is given 7 minus 5. So we have to start from 7. So jump to the left side because it is subtraction. So how many jumps? 7 to 6, 1 jump, 6 to 5, 2 jump, 5 to 4, 3 jump, 4 to 3, 4 jump, 3 to 2, 5 jump. So we reach the point on 2. Now we get 7 minus 5 is equals to 2 because we have to subtract 7 minus 5 na. So starts from 7 and then jump, how many jumps? 5 because we have to subtract from 7 to 5. So starts from 7, then move to left side from 5 jump, then we reach at 2, then we get 2, means 7 minus 5 is 2. So it is easy na. So next is multiplication on number line. So we have to multiply this both number. 4 multiply 3. Now we can see how can we multiply it. We now see the multiplication of whole numbers on the number line. Let us find 4 into 3. Starts from 0. We have to take 0 from starting point. So move 3 units at a time. 3 units at a time to the right. Make such 4 moves. Hai. Then where do you reach? You will reach at 12. So we say 3 into 4 is equals to 12 or 4 into 3 is equals to 12. So it is easy na? Now hope you all understood this topic of whole numbers very well. Practice it in your own. Okay students. Now points to remember. Some points are remember. Only 2 points. First is all natural numbers are whole numbers. Okay. First point is all natural numbers are whole numbers. And second one is all whole numbers are not natural numbers. What is the second? All whole numbers are not natural numbers. So key points are all natural numbers are whole numbers and all whole numbers are not natural numbers. So here is your chapter of exercise 2.1 actually, Hana. Then after that exercises of this chapter will soon upload on the school website. Okay students, thank you. Have a nice day.